Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove passkeys on TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Passkeys are password replacement that can confirm your identity based on encrypted biometric authentication methods already available on your device. When you use Passkeys, all biometric authentication methods already available on your device. When you use Passkey, all biometric authentication data remains on your device and cannot be accessed or processed by third-party apps. For your TikTok account, you will now have the option to use Passkeys instead of a password to sign in into your TikTok account directly from your iCloud account across devices. On my previous video, I've shown you how to set up passkeys for your TikTok account. But now, what if you want to remove it? You want to remove the passkeys on your TikTok account? It's so simple. First of all, I will show you first. You can open your TikTok. Now you can just open the settings by tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. To enable passkeys, you can open the account in here. There is an option passkeys. Let's set up it first. Create passkey. You can choose for the email that you want to save your passkey. Now tap on continue. So now you have set up your passkey. Now you want to remove it. How to do it? As you can see in here, when we set up passkey on our TikTok account, there's no option to remove it. So you can't remove the passkeys from your TikTok apps. So where to remove the passkey? You can just open your settings on your phone. So to remove the passkey, you can open settings on your phone. Now you can just scroll down, tap on Google. You can choose for the email that saved your passkey. Now, in here, you can go to Password Manager. And in here, you can just find there is an option trail.ugcandroid.ss.com. Here's your passkey. You can just tap on that, enter your biometric. And as you can see in here, here's your passkey on TikTok. There's tiktok.com. To remove it, you create passkey to sign in. If you delete this passkey, you can't use this device to sign in. Now you can just tap on delete. You can tap on delete. So now you have removed passkeys from your TikTok account. It's so simple, right? So that is how to remove passkeys on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.